Hey folks, flood warning still in effect for portions of Hidalgo, Willacy, and Cameron County. That's all because of the rain that has already fallen and that's there, and the floodwaters that are not quite gone yet, may not be for a while. In effect till 8 o'clock tonight for both of those, but of course those could be extended. The flash flood watch, it was for the entire valley, is now gone. We're tracking one lone shower coming across the border right to the west of Rio Grande City right now, just raining right on the river there, and that'll continue moving to the northwest, might clip Roma, but it's just a shower, not much more than that. It looks like things are relatively quiet for the next few days. I mean, I'm not saying it's not going to rain. There will be scattered showers around, but certainly nothing of the intensity, the duration that what we've been dealing with the last few days. So tonight, partly to mostly cloudy and mainly dry. And then during the daytime tomorrow, I think we're looking at partly to mostly sunny skies. We'll go with partly sunny skies. About a 20% chance for a shower or thunderstorm. There'll be some stuff around, but much more isolated tomorrow than in days past. By tomorrow night, we still see partly sunny skies. We go into the end of the week, you get into Friday, and notice we're still looking at partly sunny skies, hot and humid. You don't see any green showing up on this map at all for the first time since late last week. So it looks like things really quiet down, giving us some pretty quiet weather for the next few days. Again, I'm not ruling out a brief shower any day. I think it's mainly dry on Friday, 20% tomorrow, 20% on Saturday. But for the most part, it looks like a relatively dry forecast. Certainly compared to what we've been through, it'll be a very dry forecast. These are current temperatures, and for this time of year, this is pretty comfortable. 84 in the Mid-Valley, also in McAllen, 87 in Rio Grande City, 82 at the beach right now, 83 in Harlingen. Tomorrow's high is a little warmer than today, mostly back in the low to mid-90s. Cooler at the beach, about 85. And again, there's your 20% chance for a brief shower. The normal high for late July, early August is 97. Not going to make that. 92, 94, 94 with records way up over 100. We're not going to get anywhere close to the records. Instead, it's just a warm but not ridiculously hot weather pattern. There's an upper air disturbance just off to the west. There was a lot of remnant moisture. All this pushing back to the west. There's your little dash line. As that pushes westward, we see maybe a leftover shower, but that's about it. Big trough digging into the middle part of the country, which is pretty strong for this time of year. Will actually push a front across Texas. It won't get here, but might trigger a shower to the north of us, and maybe something gets close. But for the most part, we are dry by the time we get to the weekend. Just that 20% chance on Saturday and about a 10% chance on Sunday. Both days we'll be back in the mid-90s. We're also tracking potential tropical cyclone number 9, 16.4 and 85.6 has a 90% chance of becoming at least a tropical depression. Forecasts all take it through the Caribbean and then turn it northward somewhere around the Florida Peninsula and then take it northward from there. Of course, anywhere in that window is within the realm of possibility. Here's a list of names for this year. We've gone through Hannah. The next one on the list, Isaias. That's what this one will be if indeed it forms. So for tonight, 77 for low, partly to mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a stray shower. Tomorrow, back in the low to mid-90s with a spotty shower. Breezy afternoon, southeast winds 5 to 15. Your gust to maybe 25 miles an hour. 94 on Friday, 94 on Saturday, 95 on Sunday and Monday. Again, I think sunshine kind of takes over. We can't rule out a brief shower any day. That system coming into the middle part of the country, its influence may be felt all the way down in here in terms of just enough instability for a shower. But for the most part, it's a much drier forecast than we've seen in a few days. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.